Software Spring. Presents. How to use IFNA in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on IFNA. Let's begin with an introduction to IFNA. IFNA checks for any error in a cell or range, and can, for example, display a custom message. IFNA can also trap any error, and, for example, display a custom message, if a formula were to produce this error. In this case, you will have to embed the function inside the IFNA function. Alright, here's the format of the IFNA function formula. Let's look at an example. Value, for example, can be a cell address, range address, or a function. Value IFNA error is optional, and it can be, for example, a custom message, or cell address. If you use this argument, IFNA returns the value of this argument. If you omit the second argument, IFNA does not display any data. Moving forward, here's an objective of using the IFNA function. To extract data from a range, and display a custom message, for cells with the NA error. This is the data we will use in this tutorial. For this cell, with the NA error, IFNA displays a custom message. Okay, we are all set to type the IFNA function formula. First, type equal to IFN, and select IFNA. For value, select this range. Type comma. For value IFNA error, for example, type a custom message. Press enter. There you go. IFNA has returned the value of each cell without the NA error. For the cell with this error, the function has returned the custom message. Quick review. IFNA function can, for example, display a custom message, if a cell, or cells in a range, has NA error. Embed a function inside the IFNA function, to trap any NA error, and, for example, display a custom message. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.